Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn on your dark mode on Facebook, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn on your dark mode on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to go to the menu. And once you're on the menu, I want you to tap the Settings and Privacy. And then go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, scroll down a little until you are on the Preferences section. And once you're on the Preferences section, you will now be able to see the dark mode option right here, so just go and tap it. And then you can now turn it on to completely enable your Facebook dark mode. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Facebook dark mode will now be turned on. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.